How to turn on or off Do Not Disturb focus in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open Control Center by swipe down, and here you can see the option Focus. Now click on Focus, and then on top you can see the option Do Not Disturb. If you want to turn on your Do Not Disturb, then simply click on Do Not Disturb and it will turn on. Now here you can see my Do Not Disturb will turn on. And if you want to turn off your Do Not Disturb, then simply swipe down to your control center and again click on Do Not Disturb and it will turn off. So this is the way to turn on or off Do Not Disturb in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.